Today we'll be unboxing and checking out this under the desk treadmill. As you guys can see, it came in one box. It's ready to get open and set up. So let's start the unboxing process. We're gonna lay it on the floor. This top cover comes off, and once this top cover comes off, we're actually gonna cut through these little styrofoam that keeps it nice in place. We also do get a power supply. We get a user manual. We also get a controller. And we'll be able to access the treadmill right then and there. So gotta find a way to bring it out. So here's what we get out of the box, guys. We get the treadmill itself. As you guys can see, this one's white. It's very lightweight, so it's very easy to move around. It does offer wheels. If we go look at the back, it does offer wheels right here at the back. We have the wheels, we have the power supply, and we have the power button. So we can actually turn it off and turn it on right then and there. It does come with a controller, so you can also operate via the controller once you turn on the power button. This is the controller. Here on the display, we do have a display. The display actually measures time, speed, distance, and calories. It does have speakers, so you know when the controller is working. It'll do like a beeping sound, and that way it'll give you a warning when it's starting and a countdown right then and there. So let's take a closer look at it and try and use it. All right, guys, so we're ready to go. We have our controller ready. All we would have to do is turn it on, hit the play button. It'll give us a countdown from 5 to 0. Once it hits 0, it'll start working. It'll start at the slowest pace, which is level 1, and it goes all the way up to level 40. Level 40 is a lot faster, and as you guys can see, it's a quiet machine, so you can actually work out anywhere in your living room, or you can work out while using it under with your desk. So as you guys can see, it's going really fast, so it'll be perfect if you need to move around. You can literally have it anywhere. And then, once you're done, you can literally just hit play. You can literally hit play, unplug it, and literally pick it up. You can literally pick it up and put it away, you know, storage, or leave it stand up somewhere, you know. So overall, very easy to use. We will give you a quick demo with my desk so you guys can see it fits right under the desk. And as you guys can see, it fits perfect under the desk. We have a nice standing desk right here, and it fits perfect right under. We actually have some extra room. And if we wanted to start a workout, all we have to do is literally come here. We'll be able to be on our computer, and we'll hit play, and it'll give us a countdown, and it'll start working right then and there. We can actually increase the speed, and we'll be able to work on our computer, play on our second monitor, and literally work out at the same time. So, and it goes pretty fast. Level 3.2, it's pretty fast right then and there. And as you guys can see, that's what it looks like. Let me pause it. And we can go back to work if we need it. There you have it, guys. That was a quick look at this treadmill. As you guys can see, it fits perfect under the desk. You can literally use it anywhere, small places, and you can literally pick it up and take it anywhere. So we just wanted to give you guys a quick walkthrough of the treadmill, and we really hope this video helps you guys out. Thanks for watching.